Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. Now go straight to security and open advanced security options. First, confirm any two-step prompts using your email or authenticator so Microsoft trusts this session. Once done, locate the phone numbers section and click Add a new phone number. Make sure you select whether it's for sign-in or account recovery. That choice changes how Microsoft uses it. You're starting the process correctly by verifying identity first, which prevents later rejections or extra verification loops. Next, type the country code and full phone number exactly as you would dial it. Mistakes here cause failures. Then choose SMS or automated call. SMS is faster, but calls work if SMS blocked. Hit send code and watch for a 6-digit number. Enter it immediately because codes expire. Once the code validates, Microsoft marks the number verified and shows it in your account. Make sure the entry shows as verified so you can use it for sign-in or recovery. Finalize by setting the new phone as your primary recovery or sign-in option and save changes. This ensures future prompts use the correct contact. If you don't receive the code, don't panic. Check that the number is correct. Confirm your carrier allows short codes and disable any SMS blocking apps, then request the code again. Once saved, remove any outdated numbers and perform a simple sign-in recovery test to confirm everything works, so you won't be locked out when it matters most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.